In this clip, we'll take a look at how you can configure drafts via the Drafting tab, and how customers may request or provide design changes to the product if required. When drafting is enabled, this particular product will then require artwork to be submitted for approval, and Murchie provides the functionality for where you or your customer can manage design specifics, such as position, print size, colours, etc. And optionally over your draft templates that you can create below by pressing the plus button. In addition, Allow Client Draft Contribution provides the functionality for clients to upload their own draft via the Get Quote feature. In the next clip, we'll take a look through the Production tab.